What if I ask you what is your favorite superhero? You would tell any superhero from Avengers or Justice League. But if I ask you what is your favorite superhero from army or any regiment, it would be hard for you to tell about any superhero. So today's video is all about on bravest army officers which are real life heroes. Number 1. Major Ramaswamy Parameswaran. Born in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Mr. Parameswaran, who died at age of 41 in Sri Lanka's operation. He was awarded by Paramveer Chakra, which is India's highest military decoration award for the most bravery in presence of army. It was late night when Major Ramsey was returning from search operation in Sri Lanka. His column was suddenly attacked by a group of militiants. He didn't panic and showed his great peasant's mind by surprising them with an unexpected attack. During hand-to-head combat, a militant shot him in the chest. Major Ramsey snatches the rifle from militant and shot him deadly. He able to stand and continued giving orders to his men and inspired them to fight till his last breath. It's such an honorable moment for all of us. Number 2. Subedar Karam Singh. Born in Sangrur district of Punjab, Karam Singh was the first non-posthumous Paramveer Chakra awarded. Karam Singh retired from Indian Army as Honorable Captain in 1948 and died in 1993 at age of 77. He is the only Indian to win highest medals of both British and Indian governments. When Pakistan decided to launch a bright attack to retake Richmar Gully in Kashmir, the firing was so furious that it destroyed almost all the bunkers in Indian platoon. The communication with the commander was also cut off and Singh could not update his reinforcements. He was left with just one choice, to fight the enemy with whatever little army and weapon he had. The attacks had left Karamveer severely injured, but nothing could deter his spirit. When enemy soldier came even closer, Karam Singh jumped out of his trench and stabbed two intruders to death. His brave act demolished the enemy so much that they broke off the attack. But third, Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal. Born in Pune, Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal of the 17th Horse Regiment is yet another braveheart who died too young at the age of 21. He died in the Battle of Basantar during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, where his brave actions earned him the Paramveer Chakra. Though Khetrapal was in different squadron, he rushed to help moving towards the enemies, overrunning the defenses with his tanks and capturing Pakistan infantry and weapons. When the commander of his troops was killed, Khetrapal continued to attack the enemy fiercely until the latter's tanks started pulling back. But the enemy reformed their armor and prepared for a second attack. This time, they targeted the sector held by Khetrapal. But Khetrapal was wounded but managed to hit 10 enemy tanks. He was asked to abandon his tank but realized that if he left it, the enemy would break through. Fought courageously and destroyed another enemy tank, but then his own tank received another hit, which resulted in the death of his courageous officer. You may have seen deadliest stories, but the coming one is more scary story. No, not a haunted movie, but a braveheart soldier story. Story of Major General Ian Cardozo. Major General Ian Cardozo, who has many achievements to his name, will always be known for his immense courage in 1971 war with Pakistan. He was a young major with 5 Gorkha rifles. During the war, he stepped on a landmine and severely injured his leg. When even doctors could not cut his leg, Cardozo asked for a khurpi and cut his own leg off, saying, "Now go and bury it." The incident didn't deter Cardozo from going to serve his country. Through willpower and determination, he continued to perform his duties as a soldier and became the first disabled officer in Indian Army to command an infantry battalion and a brigade. Captain Vikram Batra. Born in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, Captain Vikram Batra of 13 J&K Rifles is known as the hero of Kargil War. He led one of the toughest war operations in Kashmir and also was called Sher Shah. He was instrumental in recapturing Peak 5140, which is located at the altitude of 17,000 feet. During the mission, Batra was seriously injured but still managed to kill 3 enemy soldiers in close combat. After recapturing Peak, he went on yet another difficult mission to recapture Peak on July 7, 1999. On their way up, one of Batra's fellow officers was severely injured. Batra set out to save him. When a Subedar tried to help him save the officer, Batra pushed him aside, saying, "No, you have children, step aside." Saved his fellow soldier but was killed while clearing enemy positions. Batra's last word was Jai Mata Di. A famous quote by Batra is, "Either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor or I will come back wrapped in it, but I will be back for sure." Is in 2003, Hindi film Lok Kargil had a character based on Vikram Batra, played by Abhishek Bachchan.